All right, guys. This is a late one. Very dark man don't cry. Come and say. Some people tries to attack him in Jos and the Plateau. As you all know, a couple of days ago, about 2 days ago, very dark man do video which we showcased on this platform, where he insulted the governor of Plateau State over the continuous killings in Plateau State. As you and I know that Jos, Plateau, and Benue State, the killing there is something else. Now, very dark man went to Plateau State today, and how they tried to attack him and all that. In fact, I would like you to listen to very dark man yourself.
So I'll try to be very calm in this video because I'm fucking upset right now, right? You see the problem with this country, you see tribalism and Stockholm syndrome, they affect a lot of us, right? So right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm in Jos, right? I just landed Jos today. Wait till carry me come Jos because of the killing where they happen for Jos. They killed a lot of people in Bokos. They killed a lot of people in Bassa. So I said, okay, you know what? As I come, I'll go give them relief materials. Then ask them some questions. They ask them some things, you know, make we know what they happen, right? As I touch Jos, as I just touch down Jos, first of all, inside the plane, you get one woman where face they look me with bad eye. When she came down, because of the armies and the police where they wait for her, I realized she should be a politician, but I didn't give a flying F about her, right? So as I come down and they wait for my car, that's how some people in my front, about 6 of them, they start to talk, say, Bashine, a gay governor, ba? Like, nobody, this guy saw the governor, they call the momo. Cut long story short, the car will come, the car carry me, I go, right? Next thing, this evening, somebody I respect so much invited me somewhere. Coincidentally, there are some people there that are loyal to the governor, right? Now, obviously, they are angry about the video that I did about the governor. According to them, I insulted the governor, right? So I reached there, I shake the first person hand. As I want to shake this particular guy hand, the guy bounced my hand. The guy doesn't look me up and down. Come east. I just looked at him and I told him, I said, you bounced my hand because you feel I insult your governor. I said, you bounce my hand in public because you feel I insult your governor, bro. Do you think I just woke up in the morning and started talking about your governor? I spoke because people are dying, bro. I spoke because a lot of people are dying. They are leaving a lot of kids without parents. People, they die for Bokos. This is not the first time. I came to Jos last year. People died on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. People died. I went to Bokos. I carried people's bones. People were burnt in a car, bro. You think I'm talking? I'm talking to your governor anyhow. You think I'm talking because I'm happy? I be saying until I come from Jos before I can talk. These are Nigerians. If we don't talk about Jos, it goes to the next state. It goes to the next state. Next thing, Nigeria become unbearable. Because I talk about your governor, you are angry. Are you mad? God punish you and the governor. I did Jos, Mona kill me. Mona come shoot me. I did for the Jos. God punish everybody. Punish the governor, Joy. If they cannot do anything about the killing in Jos, then fuck everybody in Jos. Stockholm syndrome. So because, okay, yes, because you're a politician, so if something go wrong, nobody should talk. Tribalism don't finish us. Religion don't finish us. Tomorrow they come out, bro. Now let me come, Jos. I know they work out with security. Come and meet me, yeah? You may not go back home alive. God punish you. God punish you. Shame on all of you. God punish APC, punish PDP, punish all the political parties, punish all the politicians that are using the life of the people in Jos to play politics. Fuck everybody, bro. This is my fault. Now my fault. I don't like politicians. I don't go close to them. I don't even want to know any politician. Take it from me today. I don't care about no politician in the whole of Nigeria. I don't want to know them. I don't want anything from them. Do I look like a beggar? Do I look like somebody that wants to go and look for a politician for favor? Am I a politician? I'm not a politician, bro. I spoke about your governor because people are dying, bro. I didn't talk about your governor because of say yes. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I know you see it. And like I said, fuck you, fuck the governor, fuck everybody, fuck Nigeria, fuck the president. All of you. People are evil. All of you politicians, people are evil. Evil. I did the Jos. Let the worst happen, bro. Let the worst happen. I did Jos, bro. And now, like I said, I will go to Bokos. I will still go to Bassa. What I want to do, I'll go and do it, bro. I'm speaking my mind, bro. I'm not a politician. I don't care. All I do now was rubbish.
It's sad. It's very sad that when you try to speak truth to power, you try to speak for the voiceless, then people try to attack you. You know, the satanic loyalists to the satanic politicians, they try to chase you, not knowing that at the same time you are speaking for them. It's very, very baffling. Because it's late, tomorrow extensively we will deliberate on this. Join us every day. This is NAIJA Media, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting you and I. Take care and bye for now.